Hey everybody, yeah. I got my herringbone trunk mat in. Let me show you. Right here. See how this baby works out. Oh. Like this. Hold on, let me get this baby in place. Let me see how this baby gonna work out. Let me get it. Here we go, people. This is a new herringbone trunk mat. And it's rubber. Finally came in. Now we can get the original jack and stuff in here. Get the wires underneath here as they should go. Nice. Look at that. Like a pool liner. Very nice. Still got to get my trunk seal put in. Flying. Mastercraft.
Screws that you have on these, you only have 4 on each of the fronts and 5 on the rear.
I seen that. They told me that last time.
blue. What that blue is
Well,
basically the.
I know it's just a
cover-
protective.
yeah,
I'm
cover
saying
white.
just.
And I bet you there's still blue over those letters.
Oh, I'm sure too. That's
So,
why.
I mean, I bet that'll rinse. That'll rinse fairly.
Mike hooking me up. Look at. Oh yeah, that gives it to the. And for the people who want to know what it looks like with big white walls, that's what it looked like.